بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Assalamu alaikum. Read Al-Quran the easy way. Lesson number 16 on Ghunna part 6. Ghunna type 6. If Noon Sakina or Tanween is followed by any of these 15 letters listed here, then we must recite it with Ghunna. And this rule is called Ikhfa. Repeat after me. Ikhfa. These 15 letters are Fa, Tha, Dal, Dha, Ta, Dal, Ta, Za, Sin, Sad, Jim, Shin, Dad, Qaf, and Kaf. Those letters seemed like forever, but they were only 15 letters. Anyways, how do we do it? So, go to the makhraj of the letter that is after Noon Sakin and Tanween, and then say the sound of Noon Sakina while making Ghunna. This gives it a smooth landing. Also, don't hang your tongue tip in the middle of your mouth. No, in this case, Su'un or Tanween sign in the Easy Qaida book is a little different. Let's practice some words with Ikhfa with the first letter, Fa. So, in this word, there is Noon with Sukun, and after it is Fa. So what do we do? Well, this is Ikhfa. And when there is Ikhfa, we make Ghunna. So, watch me how I am going to make my Ghunna. So, I first set my tongue on the place where there is Fa's makhraj. And then after that, I say the sound of Noon. Anfusuhum. Repeat after me twice. Anfusuhum. 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 Khalidan fiha. So, in Khalidan fiha, there is Tanween, and after it is Fa. So this is Ikhfa, and we must make Ghunna. Remember, 2 counts. Repeat after me twice. Khalidan fiha. Khalidan fiha. Khalidan fiha. Now let's take some examples of Ikhfa with the second letter, Tha. Untha, untha, untha. Ma'an thajjaja, ma'an thajjaja, ma'an thajjaja. Now let's take some examples of Ikhfa with the third letter, Then. Anzir, anzir, anzir. Nafsin dha'iqatu, nafsin dha'iqatu, nafsin dha'iqatu. Now let's practice some words with Ikhfa with the fourth letter, Dha. Yanzuru, yanzuru, yanzuru. قوم ظلموا, قوم ظلموا, قوم ظلموا. That is it for now. We will continue the practice of the remaining letters in the next lesson. So, we have come to the end of this lesson. May Allah help us to recite, understand, implement, and propagate this Quran. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.